To know how to log in to wish.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily log in. So, it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your wish.com website or the application. So, the process is simply same, so the choice is yours. Now, once you've opened it up, it should look something like this. So, this is the store page, and now on the top, you should be seeing navigation bars right here. And at the top right side you should be seeing this login option. So just simply hover on this login option, or you can just simply select it, and once you're on it here you can see login. So you can just simply type in your existing phone number or email and then your password, and after that is done you can just simply select login right here, and once that is done you should be automatically logged in. So make sure you are signed up as well. So we have also created a video on how to create an account, so you can do it as well. Next thing is, if you have continued with Google or Facebook before, I'd recommend you to simply hit towards Google or Facebook or Apple once you are trying to log in. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and continue with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.